and the pop-up in a patch. I'll not going to write the patch function in this. We will be using the patch function which we have already written in part one of this series. So you can watch the part one. I'll add the link in the description. So we will leverage that and we will show the loader when we are inserting the data in the SharePoint list. So I'll show you how it actually works. Then we will start with the coding. So I'll run this. We'll add some name, Steve, Michael, gender will be male, mobile will be some random number you can add, and the date of birth will be some 1997 and March 27, and this will be Mumbai, India. I will click on submit now. We can see the loader was there. Now the pop-up is there. So this is how it will be. If I click on cancel button, it will be gone. So that is what we are going to create in this tutorial. It will be simple because we are not going to write the patch function for inserting the data. We are just going to write the loader functionality. Like we are going to create the loader functionality. And if I check if the data has been added here, you can see the Steven Michaels data is available here, whatever we have added. So that is what we are going to do. What I'll do, I'll close this and I will open the project which we have created in, from part one and which we are using. So I'll close this and app. We have patch tutorial. I will edit this and skip it. And what I'll do, this was the patch function, like this was the screen where we wrote the patch function. You can see it, right? So we will create the duplicate screen of this. I'll add the link of this patch function which we have written. I'll add the link in the description. You can check that. So now it is loaded. What I'll do, I will rename this. This will be SCR loader pop-up with patch. Yeah. This is done. The first thing that we have to do is we have to get the loader, right? How we are going to get the loader. So there is this website called loading.io. You can go here. You can create the loader as you want. I have, this loader already with me. So I'm not going to create, but you can explore this. You can get the, you know, color for your loader like that. Use this palette so you'll get the black color. Then you can do the corners like this, all those things. The width of bar, the height, and all those things you can do. Bar count you can do, radius, how much radius you want, speed you can do, size you can do, all those things you can do. And you can download it from here, say from asset as a GIF file or something like that. You'll be able to download that. I have already with me, so I'm not going to download this. What I'll do, well, let this thing, you can log in and you can download that. You can download as a GIF as well. I have it already available. I will going to use that only. And if you want, I can add the link of the drive so you can download it from there. First thing that we have to do is we have to add the rectangle. So rectangle in here we will add, right? This will be the loader size, and in here inside this we will add the image. Add the image here. We'll increase the size of this. Can add that here. You can add the image from here, upload. I have the image, this one. We'll open it, replace. You can see the loader is available. It is kind of pink color and we have added this blue background which we are going to remove. What I'll do after this, we have the text label, right? So this I will add here and we'll give it as a, I will add this as a loading and the size will be 18, will be bold. You can, please wait or anything you can write. Up to you. Maybe we'll give some color for this, pink color, because mostly we have worked with the pink color only. So maybe we'll give that only. This looks good. This is 18. Maybe we'll do it more 20 maybe. And the background now will be transparent. Now if you will see, this looks good. We have image, we have the loading thing written. If we can increase the size of our loader, it will look good. Yeah. Now what we have to do, we have added this, we have to make this as a group. So group it. Now this has been grouped. Give it a name, group loader. Done with this. Now we will create the pop-up, but for that we have to hide this. So on the on visible property of our screen, you can create the screen variable, update context, round bracket and curly bracket open close. Here it will be where loader, and we will give it as a false. Get this, and in here on the visible property of this, what we will do, we'll do it as a where loader. Now it is gone, right? Same way we have to create the pop-up. So again we have to get the rectangle, we'll add it here. This is done. We'll add another rectangle. So this will be our background for our pop-up, and this will be the header, right? This is done. For this we will give white color, and the header will be like same color. And just what we have to do for this also, we will give some border color. A border color is okay. We will give some thickness to the border. This is how it looks. In here we have to add the text label, add it here. Data saved successfully, right? We will increase the size of this. We'll give it as a 18 bit bold, and in a maybe green color will be a good, some light green kind of color. Yeah, this looks good. Or maybe white will also look good. Maybe we'll go with white. White looks good. We'll push it to little left hand side. Now we have this cancel badge. We'll add it here, and we will give it a again white color only. We can't do this bold or something like that. This is done, and the last thing will be the check. So we'll add it here, and we'll make it a bit bigger. The color will be green. This is how it looks, and this looks good. What we have to do, again we have to group it. So I'll close this. We have to group all this thing, group it, and I will rename this as a group pop-up. Again we have to go into the on visible, I'll add the comma, where pop-up and this will be again false, and we'll get it. Visible property of this will be this. Now both are hidden. What we have to do when we click on it and when all this validation works, then only we should be able to see the loader and the pop-up. So for that, what we have to do, on the submit, on select, here when we are writing the patch, right here only we will do this update context curly bracket open close where loader will be true, and at the end, which is here, close it, and here where loader will be false and where pop-up will be true, right? I will save it. Close it, and everything is good. Now let's run it and let's see. If I click on submit now, I get this all fields are mandatory. I'm not able to see the loader right now. JSON pice mail, mobile number will be some random, no, some random birth date, and this will be Bangalore. I will click on submit now. I can see the loader, I can see the data saved successfully message pop up as well. Let's see if the data has been loaded into the SharePoint list or not. I mean added into SharePoint list or not. Okay, it is not added here. Why is it? It is because we are checking in user test one, and this is user list. So let's go. Let's check if we have added data in user list or not. We'll go there. Where is our user list? This is. So here, if you can see, we have added the JSON data. Maybe we'll add some another data as well. I will check for Steve, Michael, and male, some random number. Date of birth will be 1997, March 20, submit. It is mandatory, yeah. 1997, date will be some random. We'll click on OK. This will be Mumbai, comma, India. If I click on submit again, the loader is there and the message is also there. But if I click on it, I'm not able to cancel this, okay? That we have to do, but here I'll be able to see the data. I'll cancel this, and on the click of our icon, right? Where is our icon? This is our icon. This is when on the select of this, we have to update the context, curly bracket open close, where pop-up false. Save it now. Let's try to add one more data and then we are done. If that works, then we are done with the coding and all. Stephen Michael's data, it is already there, so I'll try to add his data only. If I click on submit, the loader is there, the pop-up is there. When I click on it, it is gone now. So this is done. So guys, that is it with this tutorial with the loader and the pop-up. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video on Power Apps. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye.